Hello traders, today is the 14th of May 2013 and the time in London is 10 minutes past 4 p.m. in New York at 10 minutes past 11 a.m. 14th of May 2013. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. The title of this video is Currency Trading Education Video Part 1. Alright, Currency Trading Education Part 1. So at the beginning of each week, we want to discuss, what we need to do to trade the currencies, the professional traders. Alright, we want to know the step that we need to follow. Alright, so our intention is to educate traders so they may know exactly, what they need to do to adopt the mindset of professional currency traders. This is about trading idea part 1 and also currency trading education, alright? So beginning of each week, though a lot of TSCW24 traders already know this, I want them to stay with me, to follow me till the end of this video. We will go to the weekly chart. So in this case, I'm using the Euro USD, which is the leading currency pair. We go to the weekly chart, we draw the high. The high for the Euro USD is at 13194. We can take a notebook, have a small notebook, note the level down, note it down, alright? Note it down on your smartphone, We'll also draw another horizontal line at the low of last week, which is the candle here. The low for the Euro USD is at 12935. And also we'll draw the median line, which is the pink line here. How do we calculate the median line? We'll calculate the median line by using the high minus the low divided by 2 plus the low. Alright, so in this case the high is at 13194. We will say 13194 minus the low, which is at 12935. The figure that we'll get, we'll divide it by 2, and the result that we'll get, we'll add it to the low. So high minus the low divided by 2 plus the low. That will give us exact level for the median line. The median line for the Euro USD is at 13064. The median line is a psychological price level. A psychological price level is a thin dividing line between the bullish zone and the bearish zone. So very often I would say to trade a priority to bullish signal above the median line and priority to bearish signal below the median line. But you have to understand that the median line is tricky to trade around the median line, and you want to take valid signal, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. For TSCW24 traders, the setup, first best time fair rules, and then low risk entry point on the edge. Alright, so now, we have the key level for the Euro USD, so we know all the level, the high 13194, the low 12935, and the median line at 130, 64. That's for the weekly chart. Then we go again, this is on Monday, we do all this on Monday. Then we go again on the daily charts. We look for the Friday, the last Friday candle, the Friday before the beginning of the new week, So we're looking for the Friday candle. Remember, for Forex, the market is open on Sunday night. So make sure you find the Friday night, the Friday candle. Do not choose the wrong candle because Forex will open. So this is a Monday candle. You see down here, this one is a Monday. It's a Sunday night candle. So be aware of that if you trade Forex. Here, this is the Friday candle. So again, we'll draw the high for the candle of Friday, the Friday before the beginning of the new week. So the high for the Euro USD on that Friday, which was in fact, that was on the 10th of May 2013, is at 13050, and the low for the Euro USD is exactly the low of last week, which is at 12935. The median line, will use exactly the same formula to calculate the median line for last Friday. The high minus the low divided by 2 plus the low. That gives us exactly the median line. The median line for last Friday candle for the Euro USD is at 12935. It's also a psychological price level. So we have two psychological price levels, the peak line for the weekly chart and the red line here for the daily chart, talking about the last Friday candle. Are you following me? Now, these are the steps that we follow each week on Monday you want to do. The next thing that you do, you go to www.forexfactory.com. You want to check all the economy news, not only for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, you want to pay attention to know whether the crude oil inventory will be released on Wednesday or whether they change the date. It is exactly on Wednesday. Here you can see here, crude oil inventory, because it's very, very important forex news that can change the dynamics of currency trading. And then you'll check also every day of the week, the whole week, so Thursday also. But on Thursday, you want to check one important news here, unemployment claim, the U.S. unemployment claim, very, very important. Sometimes they may move it, so you want to make sure that it's there or not, whether they move it. So you will check all the economy news for the whole week. So you prepare yourself ahead, like the professional traders, know that you are trading, okay, each day, or you want to trade, looking ahead. You are driving, you are looking ahead. You don't just drive, look only 10 meters ahead of you. You want to see what is happening ahead of us. So we are checking the economy news to prepare ourselves to adopt the right strategy, all right? Because a lot of traders can trade, but sometimes, okay, you know, you don't have a solid plan, or you did not prepare yourself properly. So you end up losing. Though you understand exactly what is taking place, but you end up losing because you miss something very important. You don't want to do that. In this series of videos that we are titling, currency trading education, we want to tell traders exactly what to expect and what to do. All right. So the high, the low, and the median line for the weekly chart, the week that is gone. The high, the low, the median line for the last Friday. All this line ready. And now we check the economy news. Now we have done a bit of preparation. We don't just come into the market. The next thing, talking about currency trading education, do not, on Monday, repeat, do not place any trade until London is open at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. That's exactly 8 a.m. London time. On Monday, do not disregard the London opening bell. If you are trading during the Asia session, day trade, scalp, and take profit gradually. Do not leave any trade open, okay, before London is open on Mondays. Very important. All right. When London is open and you are trading, the first 2 hours are the best time for day trading. And then watch out on Monday. Another thing you need to watch out. You want to check the 4-hour candle. So London is open at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. The first 4 hours will close exactly at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. That's 12 p.m. London time. So the first 4 hours candle on Monday is very, very important for us. In fact, it's very, very interesting for us. Another thing that you can do, okay, so this is Monday here. All right, so 3 a.m., that's 4 a.m., okay. 1 second, please. All right, so I don't want the video to be too long, so I don't want to dwell on it. So you want to check the first 4 hours for, okay, here, 4 a.m., all right, right here, here, this is the candle here. So this candle here is 4 a.m., okay, it'll close by 7 a.m., this candle here. You want to watch it carefully here. Okay, so you will highlight again the high, the low, and the median line of the first 4 hours candle on your chart. So the high of this is the first candle. So you want to highlight it, the high, the low, and the median line. And you will take some profit if you have been making some money. Take profit. Now, step back. Okay, wait for New York to open. Okay, wait for New York to open. On Monday is very important. All right, to respect these steps. Wait for New York to open. All right. And then the first 30 minutes, just play computer game, okay? Go to your Android, download a lot of computer games, and be busy playing basketball, playing snookers, playing dominoes on your smartphone. Wait for the first 30 minutes to go because order will be filled, profit taking will take place, portfolio adjustment will take place in the first 30 minutes. Exactly, ladies and gentlemen, at 3 p.m. London time, all right? That's 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Then come back and keep your eyes wide open. Okay, that's what I want you to remember. So these are the steps that I want you to pay because Recently, we have a lot of experienced traders that join our group, and I admire these traders. In fact, understand what these traders are going through. That's why I'm posting this video, because there are just few steps that these traders need to follow so they may start making profit consistently. The market has been very difficult recently as we see more hedge funds coming to the market. Retail traders need to catch up, which means more sophisticated market participants are coming to the market. Ordinary traders need to become more smart, so they may catch up with the smart traders. All right. I invite you now, to follow me in the next video, because I don't want this video to be too long. And when I will explain to you, another aspect of currency trading, we will continue with this series of videos about the currency trading education. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we put it to use, to make excellent, currency trading decisions. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.